guys, welcome back to my channel, and for the new viewers, what's up? So if you guys haven't seen, the background is a little bit different. It's because I am in Germany right now, and I don't know, it sounds kind of echoey. Like, sorry about the lighting. I don't have all of my equipment here, so I can't have really good lighting like I did before. So before we start, I got my nails done. Like, look at that, boy. Like, these are nice, right? I might do a little close-up if you guys really want to see it. But I am in Berlin, and when I was back home in the States for the holidays, I wanted to get my nails done in this like ombre, it's like a French manicure ombre look. And this lady did such a great job. It's like a really nice, beautiful little ombre look or whatever, and it worked out perfectly, so I like it. I really enjoy it. But the only thing that sucks is like it was really expensive. So basically, I'm doing this video because I wanted to do a recap or a follow-up on the Korean skincare routine. I know you guys actually seen the Korean skincare routine video. If you haven't, go ahead and click up there. I'm gonna actually have a link up there for you guys to click it. Now, originally I was gonna do this skincare routine for 2 weeks and then actually show you guys exactly what happened. Now, during those 2 weeks, my eating habits has changed, so that actually caused my face to be like more oily and everything else. Because during those 2 weeks, I was at home and my mom made some good food, and I had like a whole bunch of nasty, like fatty, disgusting food. So I didn't really think that would be like the true I guess depiction of how this whole Korean skincare routine thing worked. So what I did is I extended for another 2 weeks, and I think a total of maybe like a month and some change. So basically I have done this Korean skincare routine for like over a month, and at first it was a little bit difficult to kind of do because there's so many steps. Like, there are 10 steps in this program, and if you don't like get used to it or start having like a routine, then you're definitely gonna forget some things or forget some steps, etc. So if you guys are actually interested on how my face looks before and after the skincare routine, go ahead and stay tuned. And if you do want to go ahead and try this skincare routine, I'm going to go ahead and link all that information down in the description box down below, so you guys can go ahead and click that. And yeah, so stay tuned to the video, guys. Alright guys, so what we're going to do is start off with the double cleanse, and this is the oil-based cleanser that I'm putting on first. You put this on dry skin, wash it off, and then you go in with the water-based cleanser. Go ahead and put that on your face, wash that completely off. Next, you want to use an exfoliating mask. Go ahead and get your skin all nice and beautiful. You leave that on for 15 minutes. Then you want to go ahead and put a toner on just to make sure you regulate your pH balance on your face. Next, you add a sheet mask. Sorry for the mirror. Some of the sheet masks actually got on the mirror, but it's fine. And you leave that on there for 15 minutes. Then you peel that bad boy off. And there's a little bit of leftover like moisturizer, so what I'm doing is tapping that into my skin. And then I'm using the essence, just dabbing that onto my face. Next is going to be this serum. A couple drops of this, and all you do is rub that in and just completely moisturizes your face. And then this is the moisturizer, and just a few dabs of that, and go ahead and rub that directly onto your skin, so nice and smooth. And then this is the eye cream, and I just put a little bit of dabs of this underneath my eye. And normally for the final step, what you would use is a sunscreen, and this will be like during the daytime, just to make sure that you're actually protecting your skin. So guys, what do I actually think about this 10-step Korean skincare routine? I honestly think that this is a long process, but is it worth it? Yes. Yes, it is worth it. Definitely is worth it. I've seen a huge difference in my skin, mainly the fact that it retained a lot of moisture. Now, a little bit about my skin before I actually tried this skincare routine out. Every time I would actually cleanse my skin would dry out completely, and it would just be really patchy, dry spots. But one thing that I did notice is after I was using this type of skincare routine, my skin has gotten so soft, so moisturized, and definitely looks way youthful than what it did before. One thing that I wish that could change was earlier in the videos, you would see like a little bit of black spots and stuff on my face. Those are like acne scars. So I wish there was some type of different creams or maybe a cleanser that I can use to remove some of that dark spots. Now I looked on the website and I did see some of those creams, so I'm gonna go ahead and try those out just to see if it makes a huge difference on my face. But honestly guys, this is definitely a steal and this definitely works. It would definitely add a lot of moisture to your face if you do keep up with it, because it takes a while for your skin to kind of get used to you know, getting out of a bad routine. But honestly, I would say if you guys want to go ahead and try these products, I will leave everything down in the description box below. But I definitely encourage you guys to go ahead and try it, especially if you want to change, you know, your dull dry skin to something more supple, more youthful, way more moisturized. Go ahead and give it a try. But guys, thank you so much for watching my video. I really appreciate it. Please don't forget to thumbs up the video guys if you like it, and also subscribe. Make sure you hit that subscribe button guys, and I will see you next time guys. Thanks again for watching. Bye guys.